Yeah, thousands of Californians have been forced to flee their homes as a result of all of this rain and this wind that's caused so much damage. To give you a little perspective, we're in Felton, California. This is how high the water was in this one neighborhood. And you can see there's a lot of cleaning up left to do on roads like this one that are just covered in mud. But here's the worst part. It's not over yet. Different parts of California still under the flood warning, 90% of the state. And this is something that has already wreaked havoc, not just in the last week, but just even the last 24 hours alone. We have seen between the rain and the wind how it has triggered mudslides and landslides. It's closed portions of the highways around here. We know that one 5-year-old boy was swept away in the waters, missing for several hours, still looking for him. And in terms of what comes next, they're asking people to heed their local warnings, heed their local orders, because they're saying that if they have to come out and rescue you, it also puts their lives at risk. So in terms of what comes next, Mother Nature will be the decider of all of that. Back to you.